Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll explain what Comfy is and show you how to download and install it on your Windows computer. The installation process is quick and easy, so let's get started. What is Comfy? Comfy is a free, node-based AI application for creating images and videos. It lets you build AI workflows by connecting different nodes together. You can generate images from text, edit photos, upscale images, and create AI videos. It supports popular AI models like Stable Diffusion, SDXL, and Flux. ComfyUI is popular because it offers powerful features, flexibility, and runs on your own computer. Download Comfy. To download Comfy, open your web browser. Visit comfy.org. On the home page, click Download Desktop. On the next page, click Download Desktop again. The download will begin automatically. Wait for the download to finish. Install Comfy. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder. Locate the downloaded Comfy installer. Double-click the installer to run it. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Follow the installation wizard and continue with the default options until the installation is complete. After installation finishes, you can launch Comfy from your desktop or the Start menu. Double-click Comfy shortcut to set up Comfy. Select Local to run Comfy on your own computer. If you want the recommended settings, you can enable Express Install. Next, accept the EULA and Terms of Service, choose whether you want to share anonymous usage data, and then click Continue to start the installation. Enter a name for the installation or keep the default name. Confirm the installation location, then click Continue to start installing Comfy. Choose a starter workflow for your project. Select the model you want to use, such as ZImage Turbo or SDXL Turbo, then click Install. ComfyUI will automatically download and install the required files. Downloading and installing the required files. That's it. You can download and install Comfy on your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.